Hey guys, so we made, remember these slimes from the Blindfold Slime Challenge? I'm not gonna play with those though. We made, those two slimes. We made these two after. This one completely sucks. This one, this one is of another fluffy slime. Fluffy slime, I'm sure I can take it out of the container. Give me a second. It's a little hard. I'm sure I can do it. Give me a second. Oh, I can do it. Give me a second. Come on. Nope, that one's sticky. Okay. There we go. Okay, so I'm only taking a little bit out because it's fluffy, but also hard to get out of the container. So we got this one that sticks to you a little bit, but it's worth the slime worth. So pretty much a good sign. But just gonna stick that back in there. Oh, there we go. Alright. This will be a very, very quick video. We have this next one. And this one is a clear slime with sparkles I made yesterday as well. Ta-da! Okay, so now we have this one. Look at this. Got another nice. I'm actually gonna call this strawberry ice cream. Alright, so this next one is another fluffy. It's not all that stretchy, but it's stretchy-ish. We're just gonna put that slime. Okay, so the next ones are these three. We're gonna open these two. We're gonna play with this one for a sec. Do you like this one? Because this one's not fluffy, but it's cute. It looks metallic though. That's weird. Doesn't that look metallic, guys? That's so weird. Okay, I'm gonna stick this one back in. We got this next one. It's sort of fluffy, sort of stretchy, not really. This is kind of fluffy. Gotta put this away now. Our very last slime is this one. Ta-da! There we go. That's all of them. I'll see you guys next time in my next video. Like and subscribe and comment down below if you liked all these slimes.